Our solar system is pretty special. It's got a fiery heart, 8 official planets, and countless other space oddities. But just how much do you know about it? You'll find out in this video. Welcome to our channel, and here are 20 facts about the solar system. Number 1. The solar system is the sun is a star. It's an enormous ball of hot plasma held together by its own gravity. In fact, it makes up 99.8% of the total mass of the entire solar system. All the other objects in our planetary system orbit around it. That includes 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, hundreds of moons, and millions of asteroids and comets. Number 2. There are 8 official planets. 4 of them are called terrestrial planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are relatively small, dense, and have solid surfaces. Meanwhile, the other 4 planets are gas or ice giants. These are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are far larger and have no solid surface. Instead, they are made of swirling gases and liquids. Number 3. Mercury is the smallest planet. It's also the fastest. Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. A day on Mercury is 59 Earth days long, while its year is 88 Earth days long. So, a Mercury day is longer than its year. Number 4. Venus is the hottest planet. Sure, Mercury's closer to the sun, but Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect. This means that its atmosphere traps heat very efficiently, leading to an average surface temperature of 372 degrees Celsius. For context, that's about 65 degrees hotter than the highest ever recorded temperature on Earth. Number 5. Earth is the only known planet to support life. We know there could be life elsewhere, but so far we haven't found anything else that can support life as we know it. Earth has liquid water, oxygen, a magnetic field to protect it from harmful radiation, and lots of other things that make it habitable. Number 6. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system. It's called Olympus Mons, and it's a shield volcano. This means that it's built up by layers of lava flows that are very gentle slopes. Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Everest, and about twice as tall as Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador, which is the farthest mountain from the center of the Earth. Scientists think that Mars used to have lots of water flowing across its surface. This is why Mars is red. All that water reacted with iron in the soil, leaving behind red iron, oxide, or rust. NASA's Curiosity rover has also found evidence of past organic activity on Mars. Number 7. The asteroid belt is full of rocky debris. It's located between Mars and Jupiter. The majority of the objects in the asteroid belt are made of rock and metal and range in size from the largest at 524 kilometers wide, 2 bodies less than 5 meters across. The asteroid belt is thought to be made up of fragments left over from the formation of the solar system 4.6 billion years ago. Most asteroids are opaque, but some may contain valuable resources like precious metals. One group of asteroids, known as near-Earth asteroids, could pose a threat to our planet. However, scientists are working on ways to move these asteroids away from Earth. Number 8. Jupiter is the largest planet. It's 11 times wider than Earth and 318 times more massive. You could fit all of Earth's oceans into its colossal depths. Jupiter has more than a dozen known rings. Its iconic feature is the Great Red Spot, which is actually a massive storm rising above Jupiter's surface. The storm has been raging for at least 150 years and is large enough to swallow Earth whole. Number 9. Saturn is the ringed planet. Its rings are iconic and are among the most beautiful objects in the night sky. However, the rings themselves are not actually that impressive. They are only about 10 meters thick and are made of ice and rock particles. Saturn also has more than a dozen known rings. It's not entirely clear how Saturn formed its rings, but they are thought to have formed from ice and rock that was never incorporated into the planet. Number 10. Uranus rotates on its side. It's the only planet in the solar system that rotates on its side. Most astronomers think that something huge crashed into Uranus early in its history. This knocked the planet on its side and gave it its unique sideways rotation. Number 11. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system. Speeds reach over 2,000 kilometers per hour. These winds blow from pole to pole and help drive currents in Neptune's atmosphere. The blue color of Neptune comes from the gases in its atmosphere, which also make up the rings that surround the planet. Number 12. The gas giants are mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Over billions of years, these elements have become part of the sun. The ice giants are different though. Uranus and Neptune have more water, ammonia, and methane in their atmospheres. Scientists believe that under extreme pressures deep inside the planet, these substances turn to liquids. There are more than 200 known moons in the solar system. Some moons may have conditions suitable for life. For example, Europa, which is Jupiter's moon, may have a liquid ocean beneath its frozen surface. Similarly, Enceladus, which is Saturn's moon, is covered in ice, but may also have a liquid ocean. Number 14. Titan is Saturn's largest moon. It's the only moon in the solar system with lakes on its surface, but it's not water that fills these lakes. Instead, it's liquid methane. Titan is also the only moon with a thick atmosphere. The pressure and temperature on Titan are similar to those on early Earth. As a result, it's one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for life. Number 15. Pluto is a dwarf planet. It was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 because it has UNA cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Pluto is 5.9 billion kilometers from the sun and takes 248 Earth years to orbit. It was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930 and is located in the Kuiper Belt. This is a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune. Number 16. There are other dwarf planets in the Kuiper Belt. Some examples include Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. These objects are smaller than the 8 official planets, but are still round like balls. The International Astronomical Union recognizes more than a dozen other potential dwarf planets. In total, there are likely thousands of dwarf planets in our solar system. Number 17. The Oort cloud is a distant spherical shell of icy objects. It's thought to surround the solar system and is the source of long-period comets. The inner edge of the Oort cloud begins at about 2,000 astronomical units from the sun, and the outer edge could be as far as 100,000 astronomical units. 1 astronomical units is the average distance between the sun and Earth, which is about 150 million kilometers. Number 18. Human spacecraft have visited every planet since Mariner 4 flew by Mars in 1965. 19 spacecraft have flown by or landed on each of the 8 planets. Even Pluto has been visited by New Horizons in 2015. Number 19. Voyager 1 and 2 are in interstellar space. These probes were launched in 1977 to explore the outer planets of the solar system. They both carry golden records with pictures and sounds from Earth. The Voyager probes are now more than 15 billion miles from Earth and traveling at over 13 kilometers per second. They will continue to send back data until at least 2025. Number 20. Comets are made of ice. As they approach the sun, the ice evaporates, leaving behind a trail of dust and gas. Comets can travel very fast and sometimes pass close to Earth. However, there is no need to worry. Comets are much smaller than Earth and would not cause a mass extinction event unless it were several kilometers wide. Now it's time for you to speak. Which planet is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you have UNT yet. Thanks for watching!